people asking to hear the engine of the KLR, and so she's just come back from MOT. All is good, and the engine sounds very nice. Okay, this is the walk around video for our 1987 Kawasaki KLR250R. Overall, really tidy bike. Put new indicators on because the rubbers are gone on the originals, but other than that, it's all original. Grab bar on the right. It's got the original tool case. Black exhaust. It's looking good all the way along. New rear tyre fitted in Japan. Rim is good. A little bit of light corrosion on some of the spokes. Swing arm's good. It's got your rear pegs. Black engine's looking tidy, very tidy. Seats in nice condition, as is the tank. As I say, it's not immaculate, but it is very, very good. Boots are good. New tyre at the front, lower down on the forks, good again. Rim, spokes, all looking very nice. And you've got the headlight cowl there. So that's the right hand side. And here be the left. Same condition, obviously. A little bit here. That's really all there is. A couple of tiny little spots on the tank. It's really overall really nice condition. It's got the black engine. Come over the top of the tank as well. (18,616 kilometers), about 11,500 miles. 1987 Kawasaki KLR250R.